Papa Emeka.
My brother, how you doing now? You're taking care of your shoe.
My brother, which person go do now?
Wow.
I don't trek. This one don't last like for 13 years now.
Just imagine when I was telling you when we are still young that you should go to school. Hustle, doing all day.
Hustle. My brother, you know now. That time I do small.
And look at what it has
landed
but it's and you are more educated than you.
You are more educated than me.
I'm more educated than you. I say go to school that day.
Who helped you for exam now? Who helped you for exam?
Look at my son now. He's more educated.
Your son?
I'm telling you.
Can your son speak the English my daughter used to speak?
Oh my God! See, you don't know. My son used to speak English. He spoke.
I heard that your son is around.
My son
and my daughter is also around.
My son do write English.
Challenge,
the one.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, you want to challenge?
Challenge accepted.
My brother,
I know my daughter is more educated than your son.
Is it that your daughter that don't know how to dress? Is it because she managed know how to dress?
Jesus!
You think that dressing means
your son has pushed barrel for 25 years?
Jesus!
How can he speak English?
Is it that your daughter that stays at home every day doing nothing? My brother, you are out of point. You are out of point.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, you want to challenge my own son that went to University of America?
I will call my daughter. You ask her question. I call your son. I ask him question.
Okay.
Let's know the most intelligent people.
Call your daughter.
Ada.
Yes, Papa.
Oh.
Ada, come.
Good evening, sir.
I see my daughter.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are seeing my daughter?
I'm fine.
My daughter, you look nice.
Thank you.
Come on. Ask question. Don't.
My daughter, he's trying to tell me that you went to university.
Yes,
well.
sir. Yes,
Okay, you went to university.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please let me ask you this one question. What is the outcome of
You are a Mumu man.
let me learn. You know, I'm very educated.
Oh, that's spark. Don't stop wasting our brain. Spark.
Now you go, let me learn. What is the past tense of president? Let me know.
Papa.
My daughter, I'm proud of you.
This your friend, eh?
Give an answer.
Hey.
You give me answer,
The
stop calling
president
Papa.
of president. Now president, eh?
Jesus!
I don't tell you.
Papa.
Come back.
Papa.
What am I saying?
My money, he doesn't wait.
What
I mean,
you?
he didn't wait.
What?
Let's call your son. Let's call your
He's out
son.
of brain. You
Let's
said
call-
he's presidential. My son, Timothy.
You don't even remember your son name.
Oh, Timothy. Papa. Hey, what is happening? Okay, you are reading your book.
Yes, Papa,
I trust you, my pikin.
Papa, you know that exam they give us that day is very, very simple.
Oh my boy, I know my boy. You know, see my son.
Yes.
You see these days, what these people are trying to tell me that no, let me learn.
Papa
Let
Timothy.
me learn.
Papa Timothy.
What is happening?
Let's move straight to the point.
He's trying to.
Timothy.
Okay.
You want to ask question? Timothy. Yes, I'm ready for you. If the past tense of come is came, what is now the present continuous past tense of came? Papa,
My son answer. He don't know. He's trying
the
to.
present participle of came is went, because when you come, you will continue wenting. And when you went, you will come back. You will run and you will come.
Easy. My son, breathe in. You are here. You don't know.
Papa, the money you used to spread on my head is not for waste.
It's not in my son.
That's why you went, you must come.
You must. Yes.
Like father, like
If you
son.
wait, you must come.
You must come.
And if
Like father,
the
like son.
process of waiting is continue going.
Please,
Isn't that-
Papa, since you guys has asked us question, let's ask you whether your brain is still active. Understand?
Now, Papa.
Papa, we know that can spell Buhari for us. Buhari.
You say what?
Buhari.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize, the better it will be for us.
I say get out from there. Get inside, stupid children. Look at these children.
Spare Buhari.
That's the spare Buhari that keep me in this condition. That make me not
If they leave that man, this lockdown not go finish.
My brother, these children I will punish. My son, I will punish.
Next time, try.